Hey guys, welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I wanted to show you how I made this super spicy, super delicious, moist fried chicken. So let's get straight into it. So in my hand, I have 2 habaneros and a jalapeno. I'm basically making some super spicy, hot fried chicken. And you could do this mixture on any chicken you prefer. If you don't want to fry it, pop it in the air fryer. You're good to go. These are the other ingredients that I'll be adding to the chicken as well. As you can see, it's a lot of spice. This is what the jalapeno and habanero looks like chopped up, and it's good to go. Remember, if you're inexperienced, please, you guys, use gloves. It's hot. Don't stand and say it's hot. So I'm going to add some hot sauce down in here. I'm also going to add some Southwest hot mustard down in here. I'm going to add a little oil so everything could be loosey-goosey and get marinated well. I'm going to add some Nashville hot chicken seasoning, some regular chicken seasoning, and some adobo. And I'm going to mix this up. Now, don't come over here judging me. I ain't had no gloves, child, so I had to put my hand in a plastic bag and make it do what it do. Okay? Now, could I have put the chicken in the bag and mix it up? I probably thought about that after the fact. But this is what I did. Okay, so not too much on me. But make sure you get it everywhere nice and marinated. Now, I prefer this overnight, but if you have a cute 6 hours that you can spare, that should work out as well. Next, in my bowl, I'm going to add some flour, all-purpose flour, and some cornstarch. I usually mix the two for extra crunch and, batter. That's how I prefer to do it, but, And I usually do 3 to 1. They should not be equal. This should be like 2 to 1, 3 to 1, something like that. So right here, I have Cajun seasoning. I'm going to pretty much use some of the same spices that I used on the chicken. So Cajun went down, Nashville hot went down, some garlic powder went down, some more of the adobo went down, and you just want to really season it. I think I used about 2 tablespoons of every spice. And maybe 2 or 1, but you guys know how you like your chicken. Okay, I don't really measure, but you will have some measurements in my description box. Make sure you check it out before y'all come over here bothering me, okay? Read the description box. Mix this up really well. I'm using a whisk, and get it nice and mixed in. By the way, this chicken was really, really good and flavorful. I hope you guys give it a try. To my egg, I'm going to add some more hot sauce and some milk, and I'm going to mix it up. And this is going to be the batter to pour over the chicken and then put into the flour. I'm not going to say this step is optional because you do need like a binder. Sometimes I fry without it, but in this case, I'm putting a binder. And you mix it up. You're going to pour it all over your chicken like this. This is what my chicken looks like, by the way, after it's sat overnight. Then I'm going to use a tongue and just zhuzh it around. Just zhuzh it so each piece can get some of that egg, milk, and hot sauce mixture. Now I'm going to dredge the chicken. Now, to me, I feel like one of the tricks to frying chicken is not frying the chicken cold. If you're frying anything, it should not be cold. So let's say you wanted to start dinner at 4 o'clock. The chicken you had in the fridge overnight needs to be out of the fridge by 3 o'clock. Okay, at least 45 minutes, 30 is not even enough. 45 minutes before you fry it, you need to have it out sitting on the counter. So once I dredge it, y'all, don't be like me. My oil wasn't all the way hot. Don't be like me, y'all. Make sure your oil is 350 degrees. I didn't want to cut this out. I wanted to show y'all that things do happen. My oil was not hot. This is not what hot oil look like when your chicken go in. I don't care what somebody tell you. This ain't how it's supposed to look. So make sure you get it up to temperature so that, your chicken don't be super greasy in the end. So it came up, and then now I'm adding even more chicken to it. I'm going to do 3 pieces at a time. You don't want to overcrowd your pot, your deep fryer, or your fryer, whatever you're using. After about 12 minutes, I flipped it over. As you can see, it's golden, beautiful. And you want to flip it over and let it cook another 10 minutes, and it should be done. These are chicken thighs, by the way, and there's some big old thighs, and that's why I cooked them this long. Make sure you gauge your time when you're cooking smaller pieces of chicken. So once they're done, I removed it from the pot, and this is what they look like. Y'all, I think my screen looks blue, but I think it's because I'm on the other side of the kitchen of the stove. So yeah, once you remove those, you wait about 15 seconds so the oil could come back up, and then you're gonna add more chicken and just repeat the process. As you can see on my channel, I do not fry or deep fry things often, but when I do, I try to really put the work and the effort in. Y'all see my stove is tore up. Don't start with me. You know what, y'all? Why I give these disclaimers? Y'all be starting with me. I wish y'all could see some of these comments sometimes. Like, y'all be starting with me, and I don't have time. But look how beautiful, golden, crispy, moist, and juicy this chicken looks. I hope you guys give it a try. Thank you for your support. Look at that. Look. I told you there's no cap in my cooking, okay? But thank you guys for your support. I love y'all, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.